Hello guys, what's up? It's Toxic back at it again with another PC build, this time for $600. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into the build. First up we have the Intel Core i5-6400 2.7 GHz quad-core processor. It's a great processor to play mid-level games like League of Legends and Counter-Strike. Quad cores are absolutely needed for gaming nowadays. You can actually play GTA 5 with the GPU and CPU together with some tweaking. The price for the CPU is $179.99. Next up we have the motherboard. The ASRock H110M DGS Micro ATX LGA 1151 motherboard. You could also go with a Z170 motherboard if you want to go over the $600 budget limit, only if you want to overclock in the future. The H110M chipset is not able to overclock, only the Z170 chipset can be overclocked within the Skylake architecture. The motherboard costs $50. Next we have the RAM. The Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 RAM is a good choice considering the motherboard has 2 RAM slots, and this is a 2-stick kit. The RAM is $60 and it's pretty fast considering the price. Next we have storage. The Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB hard drive. Gotta have that storage, so you know a terabyte hard drive was pretty good for this build. I went with this so you could store all your dank video games. The hard drive costs $48. Next we have the GPU. The Gigabyte GeForce GTX 950 is a great card for only $145. The GPU packs a big punch for the price. You can run basically every game on medium to high settings and still have great performance. Next there is the Corsair 200R ATX mid-tower case. This case has everything you need and more for a first time builder on a budget. Brilliant design for a great price, no cons besides maybe having to pay extra for a side window. The case costs $60. Finally we have the Antec High Current Gamer 620 watt 80 plus bronze certified semi-modular ATX power supply. Antec is a well-respected power supply maker. There is a lot of positive reviews of this power supply on Newegg, and it's cheap. The power supply costs $53. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys like these type of videos, and if you do, leave a comment down below and leave a like if you do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys later. Peace.